Let's create another dinosaur, Ankylosaurus, using 2 balloon figures. Yes, we need 2 balloons, of course. Each balloon has 4 inches allowance. First, let's create the tail. This is the tail of our Ankylosaurus. Careful with your tail. It should be cutie. Just like that. Create another 2 inches bubble and 2 or 3 inches for the legs of our Ankylosaurus. Leave 3 inches for the body, like this, just like this. And let's create 8 1-inch bubbles here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I think we're done. Okay. Now, make a loop here, just like that. And now, we need to be extra careful here. We need to put this last bubble as his body. Okay, so we need to, of course, make a small loop here, just like that, and put it together, just like that. Oh, sorry about that. We need to adjust this. Now, we need to put all the 8 bubbles here so that it will lock the whole region of this 8 1-inch bubble here. So it's locked already. Okay. It will not come out. See? That's it. That's the body of our Ankylosaurus. We need to adjust, of course, like this. But of course, we're not done here. That's the body, remember? Okay, so just leave the body here for a while. Okay, now we need to put this nostril here and tie them up here. Exactly like this. A simple knot will do. Of course, extra careful with that. I think that's enough. Okay. Now let's create another 4 1-inch bubbles here. Okay, watch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And put here these 4 1-inch bubbles here at the top. Here. Alright. We're almost close. Wrap it around, just like this. And put the last part here. Alright. We're almost close. Now let's create another bubble here, 4-inch bubble here below on our dinosaur's body, and put it inside. Oh, sorry. Just put it inside. Yeah, put it inside, don't forget that. Put it inside, just like that. So we're done on putting the 4-inch bubbles here. So they are locked together. Of course, we need to maintain the figure. Okay, careful with your bubbles. That's it. Now, for the next part, the front legs. Create 3 inches here. Maybe 3.5. Let's just say 3.5. Let's create another 3.5 for the front legs. And that's it. We created the front leg. So we're done. Yes, almost done. And now for the head. Okay, remember this, Okay. Since we don't have any allowance here, we need to deduct some portion of the air inside. To minimize. Okay. So we have more allowance here. So okay, that's it. This is it. This is the head. All we need to do is you need to create a bubble here on the middle part. 1 inch and 1 inch and another 1 inch. Put all together here. Just like that. And create a twist here, ear twist for the head of our dinosaur. Now create a small loop here. Alright, now we're done. So this is the mouth, the head, and the horn of our Ankylosaurus. Wow. Fascinating dinosaur, Ankylosaurus. Dinosaur, another dinosaur.